everybody's makeup, except Frankie. Today I'm to show you to make the best 4th of July treat. A delicious cherry coke cake. Today we're going to use is fresh cherry and sugar-free cake mix. If you're wondering where we got our sugar-free cake mix, we got it on Amazon. Let's get on to doing it! First, put your cake mix in your bowl like how I did. Now take 12 ounces of Diet Coke. Now add it to your cake mix. Now it's time to mix it. Hey, Mommy, I'm the best chef.
Of course you're the best chef.
I love you, Mommy.
Love you more, bud.
I could taste it because I had no raw eggs.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Tastes like Coke.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's all mixed up. Now it's time to put our cherries. You guys, you know what we're going to do with the last cherry?
Let me guess.
I like cherries. How does it look, Mommy?
It looks delicious.
Now it's time to add it to our pan. And my mom sprayed it with cooking spray. Now it's time to spread it. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, buddy.
I'm your best self.
Of course you are.
Now my mom and me's going to put it together. Is going to put it in the pan, in the oven. It's in the oven for 20 minutes. The end is 20 minutes. Hey guys, it's been 20 minutes. My mom's going to take it out. Our soda cake is out of the oven. Now it's time to decorate it. I'm using Cool Whip. Now Cool Whip is on. Now it's time to put our chocolate chips. It's almost done with the chocolate chips. Hey guys, does it look beautiful?
It is beautiful.
And now it's time to cut it and taste. And I'm a little guy. I'm going to use a butter knife.
Good job.
Thank you, Mommy. Does it look beautiful, guys?
It's beautiful. I love those triangles you're cutting.
Thank you, Mommy. And now it's cutted. Now it's time to good. Happy 4th of July, everybody! Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Chef Frankie.